natin ang salamin, guys.
Guys, so nakabili na ako ng ticket 100,000 dong na lobat at ako'y nakicharge na. So, resume na tayo sa ating pagpunta dito sa Rainbow Slide. So, mula sa entrance, guys, so ito yung makikita nyo dito. Ayan. Meron ditong elepante na sumisigaw, na tumutunog. Ayan. So, akyatin natin itong steps na to. Ayan na nga. So, ayan na nga. Nag-ano na siya. Di ba ga? So, akyatin natin yung dulo, guys. So, tara, akyatin na natin to, guys. Yan. Hindi ko alam kung ilang steps to. Yan, guys. Sabot na natin yung dulo na ito. And next stop natin, guys. Ayun, yung Golden Hands. Meron din pala dito. At may dito heaven din dito. Ayan, may dito heaven din dito, guys. So, kaya naman tayo, guys, dito sa Golden Hands. Well, nandito na, guys, tayo sa taas ng Golden Hands. O, yan. O, diba mo? Wala ditong pila. Solong-solo natin. Diba? Ito yung sa hilid, guys. Dito na lang, guys. Dito na lang tayo mag-picture, diba ga?
Midnight in the fog, get lost on trails, only water, buffalo, no. Talk to H-Bone grandmas who laugh like gods, then vanish back into the silver ice glow. I got mud on my boots and a fire in my chest. Every valley I drop into is a dare. The map's just a suggestion at best. I draw my own lines in the mountain air. No itinerary, no regret, just the thrill of the what comes next. This is my road, my rules, my time. One ticket, no return. Feeling so alive. Side on my skin.
So, mula dito, guys, makikita nyo yung sa slide. Ayun naman. Ayun na, doon tayo sasakay. Tutuloy tayo sa ating story, guys. Tignan tayo sa may slide. Mabilis nga lang pala po. Pagpupuntahan, mabilis lang.
But even the cold teaches me how to shine. I found my own voice echoing over the sky. Turns out the best company was mine all this time. It's my road, my rules, my time. One ticket, no return. Some to set me on fire. Terraces all I need.
Doon naman tayo sa may swing. Para-paraan na lang ako sa swing. Di ba ga? Hello, nag-iisa. Nag-iisa. Di ba ga? So may kahimanglaw ako dito. Oh, di ba ga? Ikot na kami. Thank you! Thank you! Tapos sa kama din ako nahulog. Ano? Oh, di ba? Oh. Yay. O, diba? Nakaride ako doon. May kasama ako. O, yan. So, tapos na ako doon. So, punta naman tayo dito sa Lumang Bridge. Hi. Yan. So, punta na tayo sa slider. Ito na daw. So, ito tayo. Ito yung entrance. Slider. Ah! Saan ang daan? Ah, dito yata. So, ilo-draw niya ako. I-video na. So, sarado na muna natin itong ating phone, guys.
Midnight in the fog, get lost on trails, only water, buffalo, no. Talk to H-Mon grandmas who laugh like gods, then vanish back into the silver ice glow. I got mud on my boots and a fire in my chest. Every valley I drop into is a dare. The map's just a suggestion that
Yan, nalampasan ko naman guys ang aking pag-slide. Yan, okay. So, out na tayo. Ditong out. At least dito, ito yung tatamaan mo pag kahulog mo. Ayan. So, let's go. May cafe naman pala dito. Ayan. Luma na itong kabayo. Ayan, sumasaya. Dito naman tayo guys sa daan, pabalik. At kukunin na natin ang ating video. Hi, Mr. Bean. I'm done with the rainbow slide. I just need to get my video and then I'm done. If you're near, then I can book. Are you near? Ah, okay, okay. No worries. Yeah, okay. Bye-bye. Yeah, you too. Ay, si Mr. Bean ay nakapag, nasa city na daw siya. So ngayon, explore muna tayo. Diba ga? Parang gallery nila. Maganda yung kanilang chandelier. Puro Buddha. Ay, temple nila to kasi nagtatanggal sila ng shoes. Ay, ayoko pumakasok. Although, architectural design, mga okay naman. Kaya lang, respeto na lang sa kanila. Pinaniniwalaan.
I pack my dreams in a beat up bag. Throw my plans in the trash where they belong.
Guys, yung makikita nyo dito.
No call me when you land. Just me and the clouds kissing the mountains.
Kaya na tayo dun guys. Kunin natin yung ating baby. Oh, saan kaya yung daan mo? Hayatin nga natin. Oh, saan?
This is my road, my rules, my time. One ticket, no return. Feeling so alive. Sun on my skin, stars in my eyes. I'm dancing with Sapa tonight. No one to answer, no one to please. Just the rhythm of the terraces and me. One ticket, no return. Watch me fly.
One slide at a time. Ayan guys, pupunta na tayo doon. Baka naman tayo mahuli dito sa may gitara. Ah. Dito na lang tayo.
Light foot, midnight in the fog. Get lost on trails, only water, buffalo, no. Talk to H-Mon grandmas who laugh like guys, then vanish back
Tayo
into
sa
the
Japanese
silver
garden.
glow. I got mud on my
Ayan, suluyan na lang tayo guys. Mag-isa. Eh.
I drop into is a dare. The map's just a suggestion at best. I draw my own lines in the mountain air. No itinerary,
Nakuha na natin
no
guys yung baby.
regret, just the thrill of the what comes
Ito pala yung sa
next. This is my road,
Pala yun.
my time.
Pasukan natin guys.
No return.
Partially glass, partially ano. Mga baka.
Sun on my skin, stars in my eyes. I'm dancing with Sapa tonight. No one to answer, no one to please. Just the rhythm of the terraces and me. One ticket, no
Ay, umuuga siya.
return. Watch me
Ito yung kanina. Ito yung overview nitong location.
this soul.
Itong rainbow slide.
Sometimes the fog gets thick and the night gets loud. I won't lie, but even the cold
From here guys, meron kayong 360 degrees ng attraction dito sa location.
voice
Like, meron ditong cafe siya. Parang sarado.
out the
Meron sa ganda lang.
company was mine. All this
And then dito naman guys,
summer set me on fire. Terraces rolling like waves under the moon. I'm writing my legend, inspiration right through. I don't need a co-pilot, I don't need a crew. The whole mystic kingdom is waiting, and I'm walking
yun
straight
yung
through.
babae kanina is slide. Yung kanina na duyan.
So never felt so good.
Yung kamay.
It's my
Yung way to heaven. Tapos ito yung kanina yung pinuntahan ko.
one ticket.
Lotus temple. Hindi na ako pumasok kasi maraming sapatos doon. Parang titray sila.
Motorbike humming,
At ito rin yung
fog in
dinaanan
my
ko kanina.
hair. I'm never coming down from supper.
Ayan guys. And that's the end of my trip here sa Sapa. Uwi na tayo guys. Pabalik ng hotel. Ay, umuuga siya talaga. And ito guys, yung sa rainbow slide. Ay, I think this